Update. If I a special update for all these people cholo ke churches will here convert here to factory ka ha we nwolo iwotana pause on. There is really no need to close down any church for you to have a job or for you to have something doing or for you to acquire any skill. Go? All of you natural no Ebube Monso mechi ha church here convert here to factory. Imwolo Ebugobi mechi church here convert here to factory. Imwolo Kelafa ha emechi adoration ground Enugu and other churches. Unewe nwolo. Say no more. If our special update can name with our Father Ejike Mbaka has done it again. Come and key into this program and learn a skill and be useful to yourself and your family. Ke balo mwe balo family ngulu. Ke gali dem everything tetanola ena bagale na chochoshi e ba yemeshi. So that you can also start giving back to the society. Because of no baka, because 80 sugar no, you have to lash out the sugar, marry photo. Let me read it out the way it is. Maybe everything. Also, multi-life savers present a 2-day techpreneurship conference, calling on all tech enthusiasts interested in front-end web development, back-end web development, graphics design, cybersecurity, and the UI/UX design. These are the courses we would focus on during the 8 weeks post-conference tech training. Training is free and free laptops to be gotten. 25th to 26th July 2024. Venue Adoration Permanent Site Umushi Emene, Enugu State. For more inquiries, contact 234-7065-088471. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, founder Multi-Life Savers. Emana ine kwoku ane kedu ife ndị pastors a na-eme, kedu ife ndị fada na-eme, kedu ife church na-eme. This is a good example of it. Jezie chekie Multi-Life Savers gave a lot of things hamigulu to empower our youth and empower our people and to give back to the society. Key into this and learn a skill. If I know tech age, jet age, come and learn and be self-employed with even empowerment of laptop. Share this video. Cause some of these people and they have feel before him with all hanalo now you missionary churches convert here to factory because maybe be to petrochemical industry wo church ko umbo e we convert here to Ifa. Capital oil and gas wo church ko umbo e we convert here to factory. Seahorse energy those side here wo church ko a convert here to factory. Joel Pharmaceutical wo church ko a convert here to factory. Chikasim village wo cathedral ko a convert here to factory. E what I go. Yet all these people even without closing down a single church. So for all those people, they feel that churches must have to go before they will have a job. Tell them that Ejike Mbaka has done it again. This is not something new. He has been doing it. A lot of pastors has been doing it. Epukobi and the rest of them has been doing it. Bia, they will not ask you, a Catholic, an Anglican, a Pentecostal, they will not ask you. This is free for anybody show interest. Come Free laptops will be given to you. That program for you to use it to start and earn a living for yourself. That you don't really need church to go down before you can gainfully employ yourself. And this is what God is also doing. God is also using people to do it. Jesus Christ is also manifesting his work through Father Ejike Mbaka. Key into this program. Asking can we this special update for ndị na-enjoy kerife church na-eme keri ulu ndị niile abụ Bible na Ndi Igbo balai. This is just one of them. You can come and take advantage of this. If I kiwe chodebe church here emechi Mbaka emechi any adoration or mechi any church to even come up with this program, and he has been doing it and doing so many other things. You got to go. Happy if you're na moto ba moto. You are welcome on board. Bia. Kanapo wobia. You got to go give Shaganyam. Na church they run. Na Mbaka they run this one. Pastors has been running it, and Christianity we keep running it. Bia, come on board. Jose complain, come on board. Our God is a rich God, full of mercy, although vindictive in nature. You got to go. Come and key into this program. Share this video. Upload to draw interested. Some other person do related to you, do close to you, your friend or your family member will be interested in this juicy opportunity. Yeah? Share it and let us give praise to somebody where it is due. Kudos to Father Ejike Mbaka and all the men of goodwill Chinekeji. You must not like Mbaka for your family member or your friend or relatives to benefit from this benevolence. If you don't share this post, what do you gain? Obviously share this post now. What do you gain? Share not because of Facebook. Share the post not because they are a Christian. Share the post not because they like to come back. Share the post as a Hongo Kayana. Man, share this post, go away, Balo, and you go. Even your family member, even your brother, brother can be a beneficiary. One day, na talk and share button to share this video. Udo ya shina Ndi Igbo. Daruko one name.